Hey guys, and welcome to my kitchen. This is the third episode of Cooking with Gavin. Today, I'm gonna be blending some shit together, and I'm gonna make a delicious concoction. Yeah. Shit. Let me position this correctly. Alright. So, for this, you're going to need a blender. You're also going to need a banana. Wait, not. Oh, yeah. A knife. Some chocolate milk. My chocolate milk comes in a bag because I am Mexican. Well, I'm not Mexican. I live in Mexico. Yeah, chocolate milk. But chocolate cocoa powder is not the only thing that Mexicans bag, but they also bag milk, and we have our milk in a yogurt container. It's perfect for storing that. Perfect. Those are the material. I'm gonna cut now. Perfect. Let's get this out of the way. Alright. So we're gonna start off by chopping our banana. I'm not gonna bother to get a cutting table because why would I? So I'm gonna nip the tip, as people like to say, or as that one girl from TikTok likes to say. Nip the tips, actually. And then now we just take it in the back and we slice off the skin, just like so. And once you've made that incision, you want to just open it up, just like that. Alright. Now you want to chop this banana into small little fragments or pieces. And you want to this wants to fall out. You want to throw this in just like so. Come off, banana. Fudge! Okay, I lost 2 pieces, but that's okay. Alright. I'm gonna get these pieces to separate. Alright. Now once you've done that, an optional item that you can use. Hold on, guys. You can also use some ice. I'm gonna throw that in. That's optional. Now you want to throw in some milk. I don't have exact measurements. Now with a spoon, you're going to want to scoop in. Perfect. Alright, you want to scoop in some cocoa powder. Perfect. I lost some right there. Maybe 2 scoops. I'm just going to pre-stir this so that it doesn't get trapped in this blade thing. I can use the spoon, I guess. Okay, tastes okay. Now I'm going to connect this blender. And we're going to top off our cup. And we're going to blend until everything is one uniform texture. Okay. I don't hear anything, any chunks of ice or anything. Let me give it a little stir. Got a chunk of banana right here. Okay, seems pretty uniform. Now we're gonna taste. But stop. Okay, now we're gonna taste this beautiful liquid that we made. It tastes good. Like a chocolate banana milkshake. I like to throw in some peanut butter, but I don't have peanut butter, unfortunately. Okay, it was just a false alarm, guys. Yeah. Now, watch me drink this delicious smoothie. I guess this is Gavin mealtime. Gavin, I'm gonna name this Gavin mealtime. It's like epic mealtime and Eric mealtime, but Gavin mealtime, you know? Now you're gonna watch me chug this. See, guys, I have a community guideline strike because one of y'all dumbass bitches reported my video, and well, I have probably shouldn't have said that. Okay, yeah, you guys reported my video, and I got a community guideline strike. But yeah, enjoy me chugging this. All right, let's do this. Oh, wait till 8:20. "13 seconds. Look at my mustache. I thoroughly enjoyed that. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this video. If you thoroughly watched it, comment dick cheese if you made it this far. Goodbye, guys. Wait. Yeah. Goodbye, guys. I'm not gonna bother to edit this shit because I don't want to.